Join me now on the program is Mike Katz with RJ Groner Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Mike, great to have you here on the program.
Thanks, George.
Fall season is here. What does the fall mean to you?
It's the perfect time of year. It's the only time of year to get the things that produce heat for you cleaned and serviced before they break down in the middle of the season. Furnace, boiler, heat pump, ductless unit. I don't care what it is. You got to get it cleaned and serviced.
And what does that mean when you talk about like maintenance? What are the things that RJ Groner does to make sure that the systems are working?
We do everything possible to make sure the systems are up and running to peak performance. And what that means, low cost to you. So if your unit is clean as a whistle and everything is tuned up exactly the way the manufacturer wants it to be, you're going to have a little bill. If you let it go and the filters are clogged up, and if you have ductwork, it's all dirty, and you have a boiler that's half running because it hasn't been serviced in so long, your bills are through the roof. Your oil, your gas, your electricity. Why would you want to go into winter like that?
Right. Even mini split systems need to be looked at, right?
Absolutely. Mini split systems are the quietest, most efficient systems on the market. But you don't take care of them. The coils are dirty, the filters are dirty. They're just like a big system. They have everything but ductwork.
So when people call RJ Groner, they get service 24/7.
There's a few things that we do differently than any other company in the area. One of them is 24/7. And we really mean that. You call us up at 2 o'clock in the morning, we're coming out. We're going to take care of you. It's your choice. I mean, you may say, it can wait till tomorrow. It can wait till morning. Wait till the weekend's over, whatever. But we are ready to come out.
So Mike, what sets RJ Groner apart from other companies?
George, it's a different time today than we've ever experienced before. Large private equity companies are coming in and buying up everything. Every industry you could think of. Our industry in particular has become all these huge corporations own all these what used to be small, locally owned companies.
Mm-hmm.
We're a third generation company. I'm the third generation. We've been here for 96 years. You're dealing with local people. Everybody that works here, local people. We're going to come out to your home. We're going to take care of you. All you have to do is give us a call. You can even book online now with us. Whatever you want to do, we will be there for you.
Mike, I understand you have a repairs to reward program going on right now. How does that work?
What we're going to do is if in the last 12 months, you've had your heating system, air conditioning system, any HVAC system, ductless system repaired, all you have to do is send us your repair bill.
So Mike, that's a repair bill from RJ Groner or any company at all,
Any
right?
company. We don't care who it is. It could be one of these big PE firms, that come in and buy everybody up. We don't care. We're going to give you $1,000 off a brand new system. Doesn't matter what it is. Furnace, heat pump, boiler, ductless unit. We will give you $1,000 off. I don't care if your repair bill was $3,000. I don't care if your repair bill was $75. I'm going to give you $1,000 off on a new system because I want to keep my people busy right through the season.
And this program runs until the end of September.
Exactly.
So if people want more information about RJ Groner, how do they get it?
George, they can either call us 570-421-7260. You will get a live person that answers the phone. Or you can text us now at the same phone number. Or rjgroner.com on the internet.